another location farther into town, even lower ground here. This looks like where the most damage is going to be. You can see across here one of our local auto parts stores, one of our carpet cleaning places, at least halfway underwater, maybe more. The storage buildings here, whoever owns the property in them, I imagine is going to be pretty much a total loss. It doesn't look like we're going to be able to get where that big cooler came from. We're a few blocks from there. As you can see, the river is, well, I don't know if you can see in the distance, but way over there is the bridge where the river's supposed to run under. Instead it's running all the way up here, right through the heart of town. Well, water's coming up as we stand here. We're going to have to back up some. This water is not even close to peaking yet. It was supposed to crest sometime this afternoon. All these storms moved up north, unfortunately, which means that we're going to get even more water before it's over with. Looks like all these businesses will be a total loss. Straight out across here, there was several boats and trailers and stuff stored. I don't know if they were moved or floated away, but as you can see, one boat's floating on its own, and that semi-trailer is, well, it's just stuck there for now. Okay, we'll be moving on to the next location now.